How to reduce white point on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the end and go to the Reduce White Point feature. You can turn this feature on or off from this page. Tap on it to toggle on this feature. This feature reduces the intensity of bright colors. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily reduce white point on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.